So I got more tech, and it's going to be the Mophie Snap Plus Juice Pack Mini. So it is a standing like portable charger, and it supports magnetic wireless charging, and it gives you up to 100% extra battery. I'm not sure how accurate that is. I have an iPhone 16 Pro, so it might not charge it to 100%. But here are the things it's compatible with. And I used to be kind of not against wireless charging, but I was late to adopt this as it's clear because it's my first wireless charging device. But I'm excited to get into it and just unbox this Mophie one. This is what it looks like unboxed. I'm gonna take it out. It's pretty heavy, looks pretty nice. It's a solid brick, basically. Here it is unwrapped. It's pretty sleek. Just says the brand name. You can see this is like where you wirelessly charge it. Here's the stand feature. It's pretty sturdy. Just put it like this. You put the back of your iPhone right here and it should charge it standing up. I'm going to get a standing desk soon and to try it out, but here's the power button. I don't think there's any power on it. It's probably dead. But inside the packaging, you have the little USB-C charger, which is standard, little quick guide. I don't think there's anything I really need to see on this. It's pretty self-explanatory. But yeah, this is a quick unboxing. Unfortunately, I'm filming with my phone, so it's going to be kind of hard to show you the wireless charging part. You can charge either standing up or like sideways. It's pretty good. And you can also charge it with the cord right here. But yeah, it's pretty handy for anyone that uses, their phone a lot or makes content especially with their phone. I think this would be a great pickup. I'll have it linked in the description and also the video comment. I'll pin it. But yeah, if you're interested in getting one of these, definitely consider buying it off my link. It supports the channel. And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed. See you in the next one.